It's a great day to be alive, DIY guys and gals. Is your refrigerator leaking water all over the floor and you don't know where it's coming from? I'm going to help you find out. This is a simple repair and you got this. Defrost this evaporator. And we're going to remove all this ice down here. Your drain hose goes down and connects at the bottom, and then there's a little P-trap, and then it drains into underneath the fridge. There's a drain pan.
Prominence block, yeah.
Yes, sir. Have our heat gun going right now. You don't want to get too close to the sides and melt anything. You can also use a hair dryer. However, you're going to want to remove this fill valve. We've already gotten it loose. Slowly just pull this out of the way, unplug that. Of course, the appliance needs to be unplugged. And then back in there is our P-trap for the drain. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect that brace down in there and clear the line. Our drain hose and trap is loose, so just clear it out. You can blow it out with compressed air or just blow on it and it should sound clear. Nice and clear. Now we got to make sure we get the remaining ice block out from the drain itself. Ice plug. That everything's been thoroughly defrosted. When the ice plug has been removed, use your hair dryer, and then also pour hot water down there and verify that everything is clear and ready to put your panel back on.
Oh, you got it?
Got it.